Hedera Hbar, we are seeing more adoption, and this is mainly coming into the payments industry side of things. So we're definitely going to be taking a look at that. We also have a few different updates from Bank Social and from Saucerswap that we're going to take a look at. And I've got some really good news about Sauce's price action today, which we're going to dive into, as well as Hedera Hbar coin's price. So all I ask from you are two things, which is to smash that like button and to subscribe to the channel as well. So the main topic that we have over here is coming from Now Payments, and they have tweeted out yesterday, integrate Hedera into your e-commerce platform with Now Payments IO to offer merchants more flexibility in how they pay for goods and services. So this is obviously for your businesses, and you're going to be able to allow customers to actually pay in Hbar. So why Hashgraph and why have Now Payments done this? Well, the reason as to why they have got this is because the benefits we know are the lightning fast payments, because it can process more than 10,000 transactions per second. And we also have the very low transaction fees, and the average I think is 0.0001. And obviously we have a high level of security. So Now Payments have said over here that the Hbar payments are lightning fast and secure, and ensuring that your customers can make purchases with confidence and without delays. By accepting Hbar payments, you can potentially lower transaction fees compared to traditional payment methods, saving both you and your customers money in the long run. Hbar is a globally recognized cryptocurrency, allowing you to reach customers worldwide and tap into new markets for your e-commerce business. Now Payments offer seamless integration for Hedera payments, along with excellent customer support and easy to use tools to manage transactions. And so the big thing of this is, yes, we know the benefits are going to be the low fees and also the fact that it's going to be faster payments. But in terms of what the businesses need, they do need an integration that is going to be easy. Now, I've actually checked out their website and it shows the setup process. I think it is pretty easy, and it only takes roughly around about a couple of minutes. Or what you actually have to do is sign up to the platform for Now Payments, and you actually make your own account. And then what you have to do is add your Hedera Hashgraph wallet, and you just have to create a new API key. That's probably the only bit that people may actually get stuck on, but they actually have a tutorial on that on their website. And so once they create that API key, they can then choose a tool to add to their checkout, and the integration will then be active on their website. And it's easy as that. They will be able to accept payments in Hedera Hashgraph. And actually, if we check out their website, you'll see over here it says 0% service fees for payouts. They have over 300 plus cryptocurrencies. The average transaction time is 5 minutes, and the payouts in one click is 1,000 plus. And this is a diagram that we have over here between the merchant Now Payments, and then we have the 1 Bitcoin, we have the 12 ETH, and we also have the 2,266 USDT. So you can see the flow of how it works, and that you can boost your business with mass payouts in crypto. So saving on fees, you've also got your 24/7 support and the global coverage. And we need all of these different factors in order for businesses to adopt it. I think it's pretty good that Now Payments are actually taking on Hedera Hbar so it can be utilized. Here, Head Starter exclusive coin Hbar NFT just sold for $15,000 on CentX. And so CentX is a Hedera NFT marketplace. Now, I actually did do a quick Google search. The average price of NFTs are approximately priced anywhere from $100 to $1,500. And so the fact that it was sold for $15,000 is way more than the average price. Bank Social, this is the migration. They've actually tweeted out the time is finally here. The BSL to Hedera Hbar migration is available on the Bank Social app, and BSL is now trading live on the Hedera network, and they came out with this news just yesterday. So the Bank Social app is the only way to migrate your BSL to Hedera, and it's going to be allowing people on the Hedera network to trade BSL tokens on Saucerswap. And Saucerswap have said over here that with the fee on transfer tokens like BSL, you must set your slippage tolerance above the fee rate 4% here for successful swaps. Exciting times on Hedera. And we also have Saucerswap being featured in the Karate Combat Pit as well. We've got the likes of Brave and of course Hedera, but it's good to see that we're getting exposure for Saucerswap. Now we've also got some stats for Saucerswap that I want to show you. These are the stats for the users in the last 30 days on the top decentralized exchanges. It's not a surprise that PancakeSwap has the most in terms of the users. They are at 1.1 million users in the past 30 days, and the growth has been 5.4%. And if we actually check out the other exchanges, some of them are in minuses when it comes to the growth that we have over here, but a lot of them are at around about 20 to 40% and hovering over. However, with Saucerswap, you'll see that we have the 68.93% increase in the growth, and the 30-day users are coming in at 11,720. So we are not last in terms of the top decentralized exchanges when it comes to the highest amount of users. And we are definitely beating Athena, Velodrome, Curve, and Sunswap by roughly around by anywhere from 4 to 5 times. And the amount of growth over here seems to be the highest compared with all the other decentralized exchanges. And so it's some good numbers that Saucerswap are showing. Not only that, but Saucerswap have a new yield farm again they've come out with just yesterday. Following another successful DAO vote, we have a new Hbar to bull yield farm has been created, and the farm is now live. As always, Saucerswap is just continuing to deliver. From Astrid, you'll see over here it says, "We are honored to announce that we will develop the first lending protocol in the Hedera ecosystem with the support of Headstarter.org, and Headstarter.org are giving the help and offering grants for these projects as well. And Civio is not just a simple lending protocol, but will use unique ML features to prevent arbitrary and permissionless liquidations, ensuring maximum transparency through a data-driven approach." And we have Headstarter over here that is helping with the grants. So let's take a look at the price action for Saucerswap. We are currently trading at 0.09075. We are up by 1.36% on the one-day chart. The volume is down by 16.72%, and we are trading at $620,000. So we are seeing that 9-cent mark again, and that is a time when we saw it go to an all-time high. Pretty good stuff. So in the earlier hours of the morning, we were trading at 0.09126, and on the 7-day chart, we are up by 2.47%. Now, when I covered the price of Source yesterday, we were at that 8-cent mark, and specifically, we were at 0.08589. So we were in that mid-range. And if we were going to be pulling back, I thought we could potentially come into the mid-range of 7 cents, but we kept going up, and we are in the green nicely, back up to that nice all-time high range. I mean, back on the 21st of January, we hit 0.09475. So will we be able to mirror that price action again? On the 1-month chart, we're doing exceptionally well. We are up by 72.54%. And just looking back in the beginning of January, on the 1st of January, we were trading at 0.05783. And we have taken that dip along the way to 0.06063. We've obviously taken that massive climb to 0.09304. So we've hit the 9-cent not only once, not twice, but actually 3 times. And again, on the 24th, we actually hit 0.08681. So Source's price action is looking really strong. We may see a bit of retracement though, because we have been going on this massive run, and again the 9-cent mark was that all-time high. So let's see if it is able to remain there. But if we do see a pullback, we could potentially be coming back to the low range of the 8 cents. For Hedera Hbar coin, we are currently trading at 0.07442. We are up by 1.15% on the 1-day chart. For the 24-hour volume, we are down by 8.29%, and we are trading at 29.2k. So in the earlier hours of the morning, we were trading at 0.07492. The dip that we actually took was to 0.07378, but the price wasn't affected as much. On the 7-day chart, we are down by 1.95%. Look at that graph, we have recovered quite nicely. On the 23rd of January, we were at 0.06738. We have come back now, and we went to 0.07184 on the 24th, and just slightly higher over here today. For the 1-month chart, we are down by 17.69%. We are picking up a little bit now. Yes, we've still gone on that massive dip. There is a lot of red, and we are still pretty much slow. But I want to see Hbar coin slowly go up to 8 cents. And if we can do that nicely, we should be able to have a support line there and be somewhat stable. Let's see if we can get to 8 cents in the next couple of days. Guys, if you want daily Hedera Hbar coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.